Setting up your portfolio. Hi, I'm Ryan Huff. In this video I'll show you how to set up a new WordPress application on Cloudways. I'll then show you how to add this to Project Supremacy and install the plugins you'll need. Finally, I'll show you how to import the Clicky website's template to build your new portfolio. But before I get into it, I wanted to take a step back and explain why I'm making this video. Firstly, this video is a part of a series of videos where I show you exactly how to make a Clicky website with WordPress. I've laid out my entire process in an easy to follow mind map with process notes and the Clicky website templates. If you'd like a free copy, just head on over to my website by clicking the link that will appear. Setting up your portfolio. So the first thing you want to do is log into your Cloudways account and click on Add Application. You're going to choose a server and add the application. Then you're going to click on that drop down and choose WordPress version 4.8.3, or probably be a later version by the time you watch this video. Give a name to your app and then choose a project and then add the application, and then it will give you a note that it's installing, and it will probably take 2 minutes. Then you can click on Applications and scroll down to the new application and click on that, and then within Access Details and Admin Panel, this now gives you the URL to your WordPress admin and your username and password. You then want to log into Project Supremacy and click on Websites and add a website and add single. And then if you go back to Cloudways on Access Details and click the link, and then copy and paste that part of your URL into here on your Project Supremacy. And then if you head back to Cloudways and your Access Details and use your username and password in Project Supremacy and then go Add New, that will add your site to Project Supremacy. This note says that it was successfully installed. Then you can click on Manage Website, and you can click on Plugins, Add New Plugins, and then you choose your plugins that you've added to your repository, and then you add the plugins you need. So I'm going to add all the Thrive themes plugins that I need. So Thrive Leads, Thrive Visual Editor. And then start uploading. Then you go back into Cloudways and go to Access Details and click on the link to your WordPress admin, and then you can use the username and password from here. Copy paste those in and click login. Then in your WordPress admin, if you go down and go to Thrive Dashboard and License Manager, then you'll want to put your email address and your license key and activate your license. Then you can go back to the dashboard. Then you can go to plugins and install plugins and just update your Thrive Leads and Thrive Visual Editor. Then if you go to Pages and All Pages, go to the home page and click Edit with Thrive Architect. Then go to Page Setup. Sorry, I'm just going to go a step back here. This is actually on my Clicky website. Clicky website site. I've gone to my home page and I've gone Edit with Thrive Architect. Then I've gone Page Setup. And then I'm going to go Export Landing Page. And I'm going to call it Clicky Template. And I'm going to say Download File. So that will download that file, so I can copy paste that to my desktop. Now I'm going back into this WordPress version that I've created on Cloudways, and if I go to Pages and Add New and create a home page and save that as a draft, then go Edit with Thrive Architect. So I've just got a blank WordPress page here, and if I go to my Page Setup and click on Import Landing Page, then you just click OK to that note, and then you select the file, and you select the file that you downloaded in a few screens back, and you choose that file and you click open, select it, click import, and that will import your template for you. Then you can click on page setup again. Now this is the website that I have decided to create a new website for, or a demo site for them. So this is what I created and what it looks like. So then if you want to create another demo site or portfolio page, go back into Cloudways, click on this little 3 dots over here on your, in my case it's the Elegant Dental, but whatever your first portfolio page is that you've set up. Then click on Clone App, choose Same Server, choose Submit, and then it will tell you that it's going to take a couple of minutes to work. And then you've got your cloned Elegant Dental application. You can click on that, and then if you click on this little icon there, you can change it to the next one. So I'm going to call it my Accountant CPA portfolio page, and I'm going to click Save. And then once I've done that, I can repeat all the steps that I have shown you in this entire video. So that's how you create your portfolio pages. Remember, if you want to get a copy of my free mind map, process notes, and the Clicky website templates, then just head on over to my website to download it. There's a lot of back-end work and plugins that go into setting up a Clicky website. I do offer a paid service to do everything for you. If that's of interest, you can email me at ryan@clickywebsites.com or visit my website. I regularly add new videos to my channel, so make sure you subscribe if you want to get them as soon as possible. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments what other videos you'd like me to make.